Now, there was drama at the JKIA law courts during the presentation of a second batch of suspects linked to the murder of Kasipul MP Charles Ong'ondo after state authorities failed to produce one of the key suspects, Philip Aroko. Aroko, a political aspirant for the now-vacant Kasipul parliamentary seat, was arrested on Wednesday night after voluntarily surrendering at Gigiri police station. His absence sparked outrage from defense advocates in court who accused the state of foul play. Citizen TV's Gigiri reports that the defense also challenged the court's jurisdiction, arguing that the case should be transferred to a court within the locality of the assassination.
Oh, Mr. Better to insult the state.
No, Your Honor.
Prosecution and defense lawyers clashed during the presentation of suspects linked to the assassination of Kasipul Member of Parliament Charles Ong'ondo. The suspects were brought before the court on a miscellaneous application, with the state seeking to detain them for an additional 30 days to facilitate ongoing investigations. The defense raised objections, among them the absence of key suspect Philip Aroko, a businessman and political aspirant for the now-vacant Kasipul parliamentary seat. Aroko was arrested after voluntarily surrendering at the Gigiri police station on Wednesday night, the defense filing a habeas corpus application demanding disclosure of his whereabouts.
We expect him to be present with the other respondents. We shall be seeking clarification from the DPP, the whereabouts of our client, whether he is safe and alive.
The respondents before you this morning were arrested yesterday, just like this Philip that we are talking about. Therefore, we should not be treated to piecemeal applications.
The 24 hours given by the law has not elapsed. So this application is premature. I would like to urge the court to dismiss this application so that we concentrate on the application that is before court.
The court dismissed the application after the prosecution confirmed that Aroko had been booked at Kasarani police station past midnight on Thursday.
In our case, since the time Philip Aroko was booked in custody, by OMB number 20805 of 2025 at 12:18 a.m. on 8th of May 2025, 24 hours are yet to lapse.
Defense counsel contested the jurisdiction of the JKIA Magistrates Court, arguing that the case should be transferred to either the Kibera or Milimani law courts, as those fall within the area where the assassination took place.
Your Honor, an attempt for you to do an illegality is a serious issue that each court clothed with jurisdiction deals and protects itself.
Not even one of them was arrested anywhere, even imaginary, around here. The respondent in court today, the first respondent in court today in this application, was arrested in Nakuru. They did not take him to a court in Nakuru. They rushed him to JKIA.
So far, 10 suspects have been arrested, among them Ebel Ochieng Elias Dave Carlo, director of the Lake Basin Development Authority, who was apprehended at a restaurant in Nakuru, and Philip Aroko, who denied involvement in the killing, which occurred last week, Wednesday.
I know this is politics, and I'm ready for it. I started it, and I want to pursue it to the last bit of it. The bitterness that is in my constituency, people are crying, people have been killed, people have been maimed.
With the court set to rule on Friday regarding its jurisdiction on the case, defense attorneys are expected to petition for the release of Philip Aroko on cash bail, allowing him to attend the burial of the assassinated Member of Parliament the same day. Gigiri, Citizen TV, Nairobi.